Caitlin, good luck. Say hi.
Hi.
Go, Caitlin! She's right there. Have fun. She's not in last.
No, that's good.
Just relax, please.
Go, Carol. Go, push through.
Let's go, Caitlin! Go, Caitlin! Come on, you can do it! Let's go, Caitlin! Come on! Come on, Kate! You can do it!
Come on,
Let's go, Caitlin! Go, Caitlin, go!
Come on, Tanner!
Let's go, Caitlin!
Come on, Kate.
Come on, Caitlin! Take the hill. You can do it. Let's go!
Come, Northwest!
Come on, Caitlin! Be strong now. Come on! Come on, you can do it, Caitlin. Go, go, go. You can do it. Go strong, Kate. Don't get in the middle of the course, Reagan. Let's go, Carol. Finish strong. Come on, Kate. Kick it in. You can do it.
You got something left.
Finish strong, Caitlin. Come on, you can do it.
There's some more in there.
Keep up with her. Finish strong. Kick it, kick it, kick it.
You got a little left. Let's go.
Come on, Danielle, finish. Catch her, catch her. Let's go. Let's go.
Hold on. I'm just watching her finish.
Come on, Ariana, finish. Finish.
Come on, Caitlin.
Hey Dad, I did pretty bad in my race.
Say bye.
Bye.
What's that? You were number 69? That's a great number.